Hi, myself Swaroop. I am from Tumkur. I completed my graduation at Channabaseshwara Institute of Technology, Kubbi, with a CGPA of 6.3. After completing my graduation, I was looking for a guidance regarding the technology and placements. So I asked my seniors and they referred me to the Jspiders. And after taking the demo at the Jspiders, I am impressed. I was impressed by the teaching there under faculties, and and here the trainers are too good. They taught us from the scratch, and they clear all our doubts. And while coming to the placement section, here HR sections sir will be guide us and support us and will be there for us till we got placed. And the main factor that helped me here is presentation. In the presentation, it's a help us to revise the topics, clear our doubts, improve our communication skills, and help us to represent ourselves in a good way. And coming to the training faculties, Kesha sir and Uday sir are very top at teaching, and the way of their top teaching is very good. And I am also referring my juniors to join here itself. And thank you.